Are you searching for the best running shoes of 2025 that offer top-notch performance, comfort, and durability? Whether you're a marathon runner, a casual jogger, or a speed enthusiast, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the top 5 best running shoes of the year that will help you run faster, longer, and more comfortably. Stay tuned to find the perfect pair for your needs. Saucony Ride 17, the best all-rounder for daily training. The Saucony Ride 17 has earned its reputation as a reliable and versatile running shoe that offers a balanced mix of cushioning, responsiveness, and durability. As a neutral running shoe, it is designed to cater to a wide range of runners, from beginners to experienced athletes looking for a go-to daily trainer. The Ride series has always been a favorite among runners, and the latest Ride 17 takes things a step further with improved comfort, a responsive midsole, and a more adaptive fit. One of the standout features of the Ride 17 is its PWR or an N+ midsole, which provides a softer yet more responsive feel compared to previous models. The cushioning is neither too soft nor too firm, striking a perfect balance that makes it ideal for both short and long runs. Whether you're running a 5K, a half marathon, or just hitting the pavement for a recovery run, the Ride 17 offers consistent comfort without sacrificing speed. The upper has been redesigned with a breathable engineered mesh, ensuring that your feet stay cool and dry even during intense workouts. Additionally, the secure heel lock and padded tongue provide a snug fit, preventing any heel slippage while maintaining comfort. The rubber outsole is built for durability and traction, allowing runners to train on various surfaces, including roads and light trails. ASICS Gel-Cumulus 25, the long-distance comfort king. Long-distance runners often struggle to find a shoe that provides lasting comfort, stability, and durability without feeling too heavy or stiff. The ASICS Gel-Cumulus 25 solves this problem by offering plush cushioning, an adaptive fit, and an ultra-smooth ride that makes high-mileage running feel effortless. The Gel-Cumulus series has always been a favorite among marathon runners, and the 25th iteration is no exception. This model features an FF Blast Plus midsole, which provides a soft yet bouncy feel, making it easier to cover long distances without experiencing foot fatigue. The addition ASICS's signature gel technology ensures superior shock absorption, reducing the impact on joints and preventing injuries over time. The upper design has been improved, featuring an engineered mesh construction that adapts to the shape of your foot, offering a glove-like fit. The wider toe box ensures that runners with wider feet or those who need extra toe space feel comfortable throughout their run. Additionally, the heel counter and padded collar provide a secure lockdown, preventing unnecessary movement inside the shoe. HOKA Clifton 9 Maximum Cushioning for Joint Protection. When it comes to soft, pillowy cushioning, few brands do it better than HOKA, and the Clifton 9 continues the tradition of delivering one of the most cushioned running experiences available. This shoe is perfect for runners who experience knee pain, joint discomfort, or simply prefer extra soft landings. The Clifton 9 is lighter than its predecessor while offering even more plush cushioning and better responsiveness. HOKA's signature early-stage Meta Rocker technology helps propel runners forward effortlessly, making every stride feel smoother and more efficient. The extended heel crash pad further reduces impact stress, making this shoe an excellent choice for easy runs and recovery days. The engineered mesh upper has been designed to enhance breathability and flexibility, ensuring a comfortable fit without feeling restrictive. The Durabrasion rubber outsole provides excellent traction on various surfaces, making it a great option for road running and light trail running. Adidas Supernova Rise, Speed and Energy Return Champion. For runners who crave energy, return, and responsiveness, the Adidas Supernova Rise is a fantastic choice. This shoe is designed with a combination of new-age foam technology and lightweight materials, providing a bouncy and propulsive ride. One of the biggest highlights of the Supernova Rise is its Dream Strike Plus midsole, which is engineered to maximize energy return while maintaining a plush, comfortable feel. The Light Strike Pro cushioning ensures quick toe-offs and effortless strides, making this shoe ideal for speed-focused runners and interval training. If you're looking for a speedy, responsive, and lightweight running shoe, the Adidas Supernova Rise is a top contender. On Cloudsurfer, a plush ride for soft, cloud-like landings. The Oncloud Surfer is a shoe that lives up to its name by delivering an incredibly soft and plush running experience. Known for its CloudTech phase cushioning, this model is designed for runners who want a smooth, cushioned, and effortless ride. The Cloudsurfer series has always been praised for its soft landings and energy-efficient strides, and the 2025 edition brings even more refinements in cushioning and midsole technology. One of the key features of the Cloudsurfer is the Helion Superfoam midsole, which enhances shock absorption and energy return while keeping the shoe lightweight and responsive. Unlike traditional EVA foams, Helion is designed to provide a longer lifespan and better impact protection, making this shoe ideal for daily running, long-distance training, and easy recovery runs. The upper construction features an adaptive engineered mesh that molds to your foot, providing a secure yet breathable fit. The CloudTech phase system also ensures a rocker-like transition, helping runners flow smoothly from heel to toe without extra effort. This makes the Cloudsurfer an excellent option for neutral runners who prioritize comfort in a natural-feeling ride. That wraps up our list of the best running shoes of 2025. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews on the latest running gear. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy running.